So, muna siya ang software karon sa paggamit sa pag-determine sa transportation cost. This is part B, ang part A tapos naman ta. Pero muna siya atong solver method, the computer solution. So the first thing to do is you establish the formula, which is this one. Okay, make sure of that. Dayon command na ani scroll down on line siya aron it will automatically copy, no? So maghihapon siya sa and then copy, right? Dayon scroll to the right, and then ang transportation cost gamiton nimo ang program nga formula, which is ang product man siya. This is what the computer needs to solve for us, no? Multiplied by the given transportation cost. Alright? And then you proceed to the program, and ka sa data, and then ano ka sa number, i-reset sa nato na. Kung ano mong objective function mo, which is a formula, di ba? And then ang imong changing cell, which is computer na masulang na for us, no? And then your cell reference, make sure that this is equal. Make sure that it's equal. Kay kwan mo siya. Minimization to siya, pero dili siya minimization na pre sa anak ako ni Ani. So, i-add na pong isa. Equal sign. Then, your constraint must be equal with the cell reference. Alright? And then, make sure that the unconstrained variables are non-negative. So, i-click mo na siya na. Make a check mark, and then choose simplex linear programming, and then solve. So, you see, nasolve na ito. Transportation cost is 2,744. Diba? Right? Mga pinakabarato. And this is the solution. You have for plant W, it will proceed to project B for 56 load. 56 load. Alright, dayon plant X will deliver 41 loads to project B, A and C. Then Y deliver 31 and 46 for project A and B and C respectively. Alright. So,